sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will all be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. It's gonna be alright. If I got a mother up, little lady, told you that it's gonna hold you up for the night. Other woman's right here, right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. I'm a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise Mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when they were not had no money, mommy got the Christmas presents, but like, I know that she has to tell mommy, probably, cause daddy was mad, I mean, we got that Christmas present, all the way on the crack, cause daddy was like a bum, daddy said, it's all the time, and they say to your mom, you're getting broken into your mom, show up in the black and your mom, spending money for you in a jar, trying to sell a biggie bed for you so you can go to college, I'm trying to find the doors, just so I'm forgetting, and no, it's the bed, we'll give mama time, and she would get her things decided to fall apart, mom, dad was arguing a lot, so mom was back in the trouble with the fly, one back to the apartment, and dad might know the side of aim on the bar, listen, daddy went to California with his CD, and my Dr. J, and we and mama had to see me, daddy had to work, your mama had to leave it, and decided to see daddy on the TV, and mom didn't like it, and you were lame, but you don't understand, the power was the wrong stone, mama developed a habit, and all had to friends, you one of us to grab it, I'm sorry, you all I ever wanted to do was make me proud. Now I gotta stand to the house, reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures, and just me out here, watching bones going little life Chris now. Wow, I guess you pretty much are. Daddy's still here. I am talking to you too. Daddy's still here. I like the time of day. It's gonna ring to the door. Shh, Mama's only gone for the moment. Now hush, little baby, don't you baby, it's gonna be alright. If I got a little lady, I told ya that I said I hold ya through the night. And I'm mommy's right here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. And we seem a little crazy, but I promise Mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, I'm gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'm gonna do the work. I'll buy that ring for you, ever sing for you, ever do anything for you to see smile. And if the mockingbird don't sing and the rain don't shine, I'm gonna break that birdie's neck. I'll go back to the jeweler, so to you. I've been giving it a carrot, if I was dead.